Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's apply the limit theorems for this given rational function. We already have a limit theorem for rational function, but at this time, we're still going to use two different methods. The first method is without using that limit theorem for rational function, which will actually involve the other theorems. And of course, the last one is by the application of the limit theorem for rational function. We have here the limit of 3x minus 1 over 5x plus 2 as x approaches to 2. So without using the previous or the limit theorem for rational function, which entails direct substitution, we have here this format. You have the limit of 3x minus 1 as x approaches to 2 to be divided by the limit of 5x plus 2 as x approaches to 2. And then you can have here the limit of 3x as x approaches to 2 minus the limit of 1 as x approaches to 2 all over the limit of 5x as x approaches to 2 plus the limit of 2 as x approaches to 2. Then this could be equal to this one here. We can still break this. The limit of 3 as x approaches to 2 times the limit of x minus the limit of 1, this x approaches to 2, x approaches to 2, all over the limit of 5 as x approaches to 2 times the limit of x as x approaches to 2 plus the limit of 2 as x approaches to 2. See that if we are not going to use the limit theorem for rational function, this will take a lot of time. But either way, I'm just here to show you the results of both methods and compare if they are the same, and it's up to you which you will be using later. Limit of the constant is the constant itself. The limit of identity is this value times 2. The limit of the constant is the constant itself, so minus 1 over the limit of a constant is the constant itself. Limit of the identity is this times 2. The limit of the constant is the constant itself. You have here 6 minus 1 over 10 plus 2. You will have a result of 5/12. This is the value of the limit using the previous limit theorems. But again, if we can use here the limit of a rational function, let me copy this one here. This limit of a rational function is easiest to use as long as the limit of 5x plus 2 as x approaches to is not equal to 0, because this will be undefined. And we know that it's not equal to 0 because we have here the value of 12. Nevertheless, we can simply substitute. You have, that's 3 times 2 minus 1 over 5 times 2 plus 2. You have here 6 minus 1 over 10 plus 2, which is just the same as this. This will still be 5/12. See that we have the same result in two methods. So this is how you apply the limit theorems for the limit of this given rational function. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!